Hi, friends. This house is really magical. It's an 1880s farmhouse, and for being an 1880s farmhouse, you typically are seeing lots of upgrades that are needed or deferred maintenance, whatnot. This house is truly spectacular. All the modern amenities, heat, plumbing, electrical, all that stuff's been done, but they still kept the charm of the farmhouse. We have really high ceilings, beautiful original molding, flooring. It's really just a gorgeous home. Before we go inside and you actually get to see the beauty of this home, I just want to take a moment to mention the spectacular yard. There's multiple peach, apple, quince, pear trees, all fruit-bearing, and just lots and lots of perennials, flowering trees, raised gardens, beds. It's really a little oasis in the heart of Littleton Center. Enjoy the tour. Welcome back. I'm Mary Beth with J&MB Wilson Sells Homes. Give us a call if you'd like some more information, 978-590-1425. Hope to hear from you.